Potholes damage cars, slow traffic, and cost billions in repairs every year. Workers are exposed to hazards, and repairs are often temporary.
Silly Surfacing is rethinking pothole repair from the ground up. We're engineering autonomous robotic system designed to detect, map, and repair potholes while in motion without stopping traffic. The goal is safer roads, safer workers, and faster, more efficient ways of solve the problems that keep growing.
The technology is designed to be flexible and broadly applicable. From public roads and highways to parking lots, Silly Surfacing offers a solution that can operate in environments where downtime is costly and disruptions are unacceptable. At the center of this innovation is a robot that operates at walking speed, scanning the road surface as it moves. Using advanced scanning, GPS, and real-time calculations, the system identifies potholes, determines their size and depth, and calculates exactly how much material is needed to fix them. The process happens continuously and autonomously. The robot cleans the pothole, pre-treats the surface, fills it with aggregate, and post-treats the repair so vehicles can drive over it immediately. The environmental conditions are accounted for, adjusting the treatment based on factors like temperature.
Repairs happen quickly, efficiently, with minimum disruption to daily life. For city property owners and operators, this translates to fewer complaints, lower maintenance costs, and long-lasting repairs. For drivers and pedestrians, it means smoother roads, safer travel, and less frustration. Much of the core development has taken place in Pittsburgh, with strong roots at the University of Pittsburgh. Being based in the city known globally for robotics and engineering gives the team access to deep technical expertise, research infrastructure, and a cultural focus on hard problem solving. That academic foundation is paired with hands-on commercialization support through the Robotics Factory Accelerate program. The program has helped Silly Surfacing move faster from research to reality by providing space, mentorship, and direct support for scaling complex robotic systems. We are redefining how infrastructure maintenance can work in the future. This is what happens when robotics, research, and real-world needs come together. We at Silly Surfacing are building safer streets, better spaces through autonomous innovation.